nakaka-excite makita yung the men and women, the individuals behind the cameras this time, sila na yung sasabak sa ibang namin.
Magtutulungan din sila. May mag-ooperate ng dalawang live stream. Mamaya. Alright. So I think we are ready for our casual interviews. Let's call our first candidate, Binibini 15. This is Princess Diana Solomon. Princess Diana. Here you go. Your Majesty. Hello. How are you?
I'm feeling optimistic. I'm feeling grateful tonight.
I love it. I love the happy and positive energy coming out from her. All right. Please fit your pageant side. Hello to Pageant Talk. Anton Eder.
So, if you win the crown tonight, how will you promote Kuyako? And how will you convince to visit Kuyako?
Alright, thank you. If I will win the crown tonight, how will I represent my municipality and other municipality? It's simple, using my social media platforms. Because nowadays, many people using social media platforms, and I believe by exploring more the Kuyako, I believe I can represent the beauty of Kuyako, because the people of Kuyako is the brain of our town, the heart of our municipality, and I am very proud to be called Kuyapenya. And if I will win the crown tonight, I will be happy to represent and explore the world with my municipality, Kuyapa, my home, Kuyapa!
Thank you also to Anton Eder of Pageant Talk. Thank you so much. Binibini 15 for that beautiful answer. Moving on, this time for our second set of finalists, we have Binibini 9. Here's Micaela Geronimo. Micaela, pangalawang ang tinawag. Matanong lang kita, ini-expect mo ba na uuusap ka talaga sa competition na ito? Or are you doing this solely for the experience? O parang nandito ka to win it?
That's what I expect of, because I know I did my best and I show my confidence to be able to be here and stand in front of the mic to make it in the top 10. Thank you.
Ayun, binipili na yun. Micaela, hindi pa yun ang tanong mo. Ha? Teka lang. Ito na. Let's find out who your question will be coming from. Please. From our partner, from the media, the Crown Philippines, Jonathan Santos.
My question is, what does empowerment mean to you?
Thank you. Empowerment to me as a woman is inspiring other women to do their best. Like me, when I was young, I am not that confident enough to join pageantry. But despite, through my dedication, I'm here, standing in front of you, showcasing my talent and inspiring other people, especially women, to do it as well. Because I believe the women are the beacon of hope and the symbol of strength. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Binibini dahil Miguel Juan, of course, thank you to the crowd of Jonathan for that beautiful question.
So good. Alright, next candidate is candidate number 8. We have Zachi Labori. Zachi, you've won several awards already. Leading up to this point, majority of the awards. How do you feel? Was that the expectation from you tonight? And how do you feel that you've won all of those awards already?
Of course, I'm grateful because I won those awards, those several awards, but I didn't expect to receive those awards, especially those number of awards. Thank you.
And you're doing a great job so far, so you can now pick your pageant website. Alright. Okay, there is Pao Peñamo. Oh, Pao Peñamo. There you go. Sir Pao, hello.
Hi, looks so beautiful. I only have one question for you. If you have a power to ask one question to the judges, what will it be and why? Again, if you repeat, if you have one question to ask to the judges, what will it be and why?
It would be, do you judge equally or do you judge for equity? Because equality and equity, there's a fine line between those two things. And being a judge is very hard because I've been a judge once before also. And I just want to ask you if you are judging equally or for equity. Thank you.
Thank you very much, BB8.
Pero masabi ko lang din, nag-inusipaw kanya mo sa mga ang fresh din. Parang lumalaban kayo sa asin, bibili-bili. Iba ako.
Ako din ka nung kabahan. Ako yung pinapahan sa kandidato.
Because I love these questions coming from our friends from the media. Let's move on to our next semi-finalist who's here from Binibini 13, Shaolin Antonio Rivera. Hi, Jonalyn.
Hi!
Jonalyn, yung number 13 in Superstition, sabi nila malas daw yun. Nung nabigay sa iyo yung number 13, medyo kinabahan ka ba? Or did you use this to your advantage to prove everybody wrong na ang 13 ay maswerte talaga?
Yes po, swerte talaga kasi I'm standing here in front of you all to improve and gagawin ko ang lahat ng aking makakaya.
Yeah. And we cannot wait to see how your question figures out. Alaga natin kung sino ang tatanungin natin from our friends from the media. Ito na, from Pageant Trend, Jake Mario, everybody!
Good evening, candidate number 13.
Hi po!
Looks so gorgeous tonight. My question for you is, what do you love most about joining Binibini Kuya Po 2025? Again, what do you love most about joining Binibini Kuya Po 2025?
I love joining Binibini Kuya Po 2025 dahil lalo akong tumatawag at natuto sa mga diskriminasyon nila sa akin. Lalo akong nagsumikap at ipagpatuloy ang aking mga pangarap dahil hindi ako matutumba ng kahapon. Thank you.
Bigat na, beautiful! That was Jonalyn.
That came from the heart, her answer. All right, thank you so much, BB 13. Next is our 5th candidate in the top 10, BB 14. This is Angela Rivera. Hello, Angela. How are you? How are you?
Nakabahan but I still feel confidence because I have the power to inspire everyone.
You should feel confident because you've made it this far and you still have the opportunity to win the crown. All right, Angela, please pick out your pageant vlogger or website. We have H. Tenoria, Pageantology.
Hi, candidate number 14. I'm sure you are familiar with online phrase, sobrang Latina. So what makes Kuya Peña sobrang Kuya Peña?
What makes Kuya Peña sobrang Kuya Peña is the resilience and hard work that they using to inspire others, and especially Kuya Peña is a resilience and they embody the hard work, and because Kuya Peña is the backbone of our society and our community, especially the farmers who raised with the sun, and entrepreneurs who build dreams, and construction workers who build the foundation in our community, and especially everyday heroes that bring smiles to others. As me being one of the candidates of Binibini Kuya Po, I am very proud to being a Kuya Peña.
Time is up. Thank you, BB 14. Next, Angela Rivera. We also thank Sir H. Tenoria of Pageant. pageantology. Thank you. No, Edge, I'm so sorry. I'm mentioning Maria on pageantology.
Alright, we are down to the halfway point of our semifinalists. So we're going to be hearing from our sixth candidate. Maaari po lamang mga kaibigan. Hindi na po kami ng konting cooperasyon habang ang aming kandidat na tabo ay sumasagot. Bigyan po namin sila ng konting kainigan para hindi rin magulo yung train of thought as well as to not put any additional pressure on whoever is answering on the stage. Di ba tayo doon? Pagkatapos ng sumabas sa kanan tayo humiyaw. Alright, let's move on to Bini number 17 at this time. Here's Anika Bellavez. Anika or Anika? I hope I'm saying your name right. Is it Anika? Anika. Such a unique name. Kanina marami rin humihiyaw para sa iyo. Baka gusto mong mag-shout out sa mga sumusabihan ka sa iyo. Kanina pa, nandito na silang nag-email for you. Just a quick shout out to all your supporters.
Hello everyone, especially my
Ayun, good luck sa iyo, Anika. Please choose your pageant warrior. Uy! Andito pala si pageant warrior, si Ivy! Gabriel Ivy Galvez! Grabe, sa rin mo, Ivy.
And number 17. This is your question. What is the most treasured memory in joining Binibini Kuya for 2025?
Thank you for that question. For me, the treasured memories po, dito po sa Binibini Kuya po 2025 is magkaroon po ako ng kaibigan na katulad po ni Binibini 16. Ayan po. Ayan po yung pinaka-treasure ko po ngayon dito sa journey ko po na marami po akong nakilala, madami po akong natutunan sa journey ko na to. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Beautiful answer from Anika Bellavez, Binibini 17, and funny enough, magkasunod sila. Kasi sa ating gawin. Swerte.
Swerte. Ayan, destined. Silang dalawang magkasunod. So on that note, we have Binibini 16. Hello, this is Jenny Zabala Capato.
Yes po.
How do you feel that you got mentioned by your friend Binibini 17?
Actually, I feel so proud that I'm mentioned by Binibini 17, and I love her so much because she's confident and she's brave enough to stand here and to show who she is. Thank you.
Okay, thank you as well. You may now pick out your pageant vlogger / website. We have a representative from Crown Philippines. Crown Philippines.
Good evening po.
So the question for you is, do you believe that social media helps or hinders self-love? One more time. Do you believe that social media helps or hinders self-love?
Thank you. I believe that social media is a very large platform for us to showcase what we feel or what's our thought. I believe that it is one way for us also to show our love to the people, because social media is a very large platform for us to show people that we love them by posting them online, by mentioning them that we love them. And I believe that social media has a positive and negative side. And I believe that we should always focus on the positive side of it because it will benefit us as a people. Thank you.
Thank you. Binibini 16. That was a great answer. Thank you.
Alright, here we go. Moving on to our next semifinalist. Here's Binibini number 1. Binibini 1. Ibang klase din talaga yung suporta. Nanggagaling sa lahat ng iba yung mga auditorium natin. Bigyan na rin natin sila ng pagkakataon na marinig yung pasasalamat mo. So, shout out na rin sa mga sumusuporta sa ito rin.
Hello, good evening everyone. I just want to say thank you to my family, friends, and my kabarangay, which is Barangay Perma.
You have chosen? Ooh, from OPMB. And then as a Melly Nerioso.
Hello, Binibini woman.
Hello po.
Here's my question. Can you tell us something unique or something special about your beloved municipality, Kuya po? Which is that most of us non-residents are not aware of.
Good evening, everyone. I want you to all know that Kuya Po has 3 points, which is first, the people, because the people communicates with us with full-heartedly. The next is the community, which welcomes, which every barangay has a story about to tell. And next is, which lastly, the Kuya Peños. Kuya Peños stand here firmly as I represent my quota, which is my barangay, and that journey continues beyond tonight. Thank you.
Our community and the people. Ikaw nakaka-proud naman din.
Lalo, kami yung supporters and the people. Alright, thank you, Binibini Woman. We have 2 candidates left, starting with Binibini 10. This is Angela May Alegado. Hey Angela, how are you? Okay, how do you feel that you're in the top 10?
I'm so grateful po because 20 candidates pa rin ako sa pag-stop.
I'm sure lahat ng friends mo dito, family members, proud na proud sa'yo. You may now pick out your pageant vlogger. Ito. For the Philippines, Oyel De Leon.
Hello, good evening. First, congratulations for making it to top 10. So, super short lang na to. Would you rather be right or be kind? Again, would you rather be right or be kind?
Thank you. Mas gugustuhin ko pong mabuli sapagkat magiging tama ang isang tao kung ikaw ay mabuti at may mabuting puso, may papakita sa ibang tao. Kung kaya piliin natin maging mabuti sa bawat isa dahil hindi natin alam kung ano ang mga kinakaharap nila. Thank you so much.
Well, that is quite a hefty question, but you were to very well, I might say.
It was concise, straight to the point, but with a lot of emphasis as well. Thank you as well to Oyel for that question.
Ang French din ko yun eh. Di ba talaga sa camera in person, parang namamayagpag yung ganda.
Pakifocus na lang po pag-check kasi Oyel.
Grabe nga. Ito na, Binibini 12, Ashley and the Fiesta. Ashley, last one to be called in kanina. Kinakabahan ka naman nung shot na yung natawag. There was just one spot left. Iniisip mo ba, ano yun? I'm sure ko. Or were you hesitant in your mind? Iniisip mo ba na parang natalo ka na? Natalo?
Well, kanina habang nakatayo ako nung tinawag na yung pang siya, isa na lang yung tawag. Siyempre talagang kinakabahan na baka hindi ako yung matawag, pero nagtiwala pa rin ako sa sarili ko na ako yung matatawag na last candidate bilang na may pasok sa top 10.
And natawag ka nga, gumana ang manifestation mo. Kaya naman, alamin natin kung sino ang magtatanong sa iyo. This one, we have from Eventology, si Ferdy Portman Amihon.
Good evening, candidate number 12. Tama ba?
Ready to
Would you like it in English or Tagalog?
Acting po.
Up to you, okay. If you are given a chance to time travel back to the past, what one gadget you would want to bring and why? Pag nabigyan ka ng pagkakataon na mag-time travel back
sa task, ano yung kukunin mo or gagaling mo na gadget? Isa lang. At bakit?
Thank you. Para sa akin, kung mabibigyan mo naman ng pagkakataon na bumalik sa past, unang-unang, ang gadget na dadalhin ko, syempre cellphone, kasi ito yung ginagamit sa panahon ngayon para makapag-communicate sa mga mahal natin sa buhay. At ito yung gusto kong dalhin kasi kahit na nasa past ako, gusto ko pa rin na makausap at makapag-communicate sa mga mahal ko sa buhay. Thank you.
To utilize the technology to connect the whole family and friends.
Thank you. We don't give a lot of time to other questions. That was an interesting question. Thank you so much. Diba? May sagot ako dun eh.
Asal sa sagutin ka sa